California is now under a state of emergency after reporting the state's first coronavirus death.
Here in LA, there are now several confirmed cases. Here's a look at the latest numbers. The county is reporting 6 coronavirus cases, which brings its total to 7. Authorities say 2 of those patients traveled to Italy and 3 were exposed to a relative with the virus, and 1 patient is an LAX medical screener.
Let's get right to CBS News' Cara Finnstrom joining us with the latest developments. Cara.
Health leaders are telling us that LAX screener is in home quarantine right now with mild symptoms, and they're trying to figure out how that person got the virus. So far, no tests of LAX passengers have come back positive for coronavirus. Meanwhile, the big focus right now is up in Northern California, where test kits are being flown out to a cruise ship. The Grand Princess cruise ship is being kept off the coast of San Francisco until passengers can be tested for the coronavirus. A 71-year-old man who was a passenger on it last month died from the illness, and now at least 20 other passengers and crew members are having flu-like symptoms. Governor Gavin Newsom declared a state of emergency yesterday as health officials got to work.
The proclamation is to serve to help advance our resources, to loosen up our regulatory environment.
Leah Carlson and her sister Laura are on the ship.
Everything was running through my head, and I didn't want to go home. I don't want to go home to my family because I don't want to take anything to them. Right. I don't want to take it to my city if I happen to have it on my clothes or whatever. I don't even know.
Health officials are also tracking down hundreds of other recent passengers who may have been exposed. The California man who died had returned to San Francisco on February 21st from a cruise to Mexico before the same ship picked up more passengers and headed to Hawaii. He was not diagnosed until 10 days later. Meanwhile, test kits have finally arrived at a nursing home outside Seattle in Washington state, the epicenter of the U.S.'s deadliest outbreak. Local health officials have bought a motel nearby to turn into a quarantine facility.
A place for patients to be recovering away from anyone else, in their family that they aren't available to recover at home.
On the other side of the country, New York City announced more cases this morning, including a man in his 40s and a woman in her 80s. Officials say neither has a clear connection to travel nor to any other individual who has the virus. Schools and a synagogue related to that case have been temporarily closed, and about 1,000 people have been told to self-quarantine. Back now to that Princess cruise ship. A Coast Guard helicopter will be delivering the test kits to it. There are about 2,500 passengers on board, but the cruise line says fewer than 100 have been identified for testing.